Have you seen these Dollar Tree makeup bags? They're only $1.25. Today I'm going to show you how to transform these bags into really nice Christmas gifts. As soon as I saw these bags, I knew that I could give them a quick transformation and turn them into really nice gifts. Right now, the self-adhesive chenille letters are very popular right now, so I ordered this bag. I'll go ahead and link it down below if you're interested. And I thought I would just spell out some words for each bag and just give it a preppy look for a preteen or teenager. For the black bag, I've already flattened it out and I'm more or less gonna center the word that I'm gonna spell. And I decided to go with the word skin. And now I placed my letters, made sure they were nicely aligned. And now I'm just gonna take off the backing and place the letters on my bag. And I do have to say the adhesive is pretty strong. The letters are not moving at all. And this is how the black bag turned out. I love how it looks. Let me know what you think. Since I'm going to be filling it with some beauty items, I needed it to be a little bit more sturdy, so I just put this cardboard together and I'm just going to slip it in the bag. I'm going to put this one aside for now and I'm going to work now on the pink one. I also wanted to mention that the top of the bag also has these slots for the makeup brushes, which I think is pretty neat. Okay, so now I'm going to get this bag ready so I can add the letters, and the word that I chose for this one is face. I'm going to start with the black bag, and I've already prepped it inside so that it can hold all the products that I'll be filling it with. So I'll be starting by adding some tissue paper. I've crumbled it up and I'm just going to fill it to the top. I think you can see the makeup brush slots better with this black one, so I just wanted to show it to you one more time. Dollar Tree has these tall tumblers, and these are dupes for Starbucks, I believe. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put one of these in the bag because since it's going to a teenager, I know they like these kind of cups. So I'm going to put the tumbler in first. I'm also going to add these decorative shreds to it. Believe it or not, I found this makeup palette at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to also be putting that in. And everything else that I'll be putting in here is also from Dollar Tree, just an FYI. I also found this by Be Pure, this blue shimmer body wash. I thought it was so pretty. And this 4-pack of lippies are also going in this little bag. Also from Dollar Tree. And from Ione, this liquid blush. It's new at Dollar Tree. And I'm also adding this lip gloss with such a pretty pink color. I kept one for myself and I love it. I'm also going to add this lip oil and also this hair shimmer by Be Pure, another lip oil, and also this headband. And last but not least, this makeup brush by Sassy & Chic. And this is how the black bag turned out. Let me know what you think. Now for the pink bag, I've already pre-prepared it with the filling inside, and now I'm just going to start adding my products. And everything, once again, is from Dollar Tree. Now, I hauled this not too long ago, this vanity organizer. It looks so high-end. From Dollar Tree, I thought this was such a good find. So I'm going to be putting that in the bag. And the pink shimmer body wash. And this is also from Be Pure, but they also had the pink color as well. They also have this new product. It's called Rose Champagne Wishes Fragrance Mist. This looks like a nice high-end product. It's also going in the bag. And also by the same maker, they have this body scrub, so this is also going in the bag. As you can see, I'm kind of wanting to coordinate everything pink in the pink bag. And also like the other bag, I'm gonna add the hair shimmer, the lip oil, and also the pack of 4 lippies, and the makeup brush, and the lip gloss. And last but not least, this really pretty pink headband. It was $1.25, but I did cut off the price. And this is how the pink bag turned out. Let me know which was your favorite, the pink bag or the black bag. I hope that you enjoyed these gift ideas. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you on my next videos. So bye bye, God bless, and Merry Christmas.